Hi guys, I'm in Italy and today I'm going to compare 3 Italy camo patterns. On the left side it's the Vegetato Desert pattern, in the middle it's the actual Vegetato pattern, and on the right side it's a bleached out Vegetato pattern. So I'm in Italy, I'm going to give them a test.